Think water workouts are just for seniors? This underwater powerhouse might change everything you know about fitness. Recent studies reveal Aqua Aerobics creates intense muscle engagement due to water's natural resistance, forcing your body to adapt and strengthen in ways traditional exercises can't match. The water's pressure actually compresses your blood vessels, making your heart work harder and improving oxygen delivery throughout your body. Even more surprising, participants showed a 23% increase in anaerobic capacity after just 8 weeks of regular water workouts. Regardless of their dietary habits, this challenging environment turns simple movements into full-body resistance training, maximizing results while minimizing joint stress. The constant temperature regulation needed during water exercise also boosts your metabolic rate, contributing to improved longevity markers in regular participants. Want to revolutionize your fitness journey? Your next breakthrough might be waiting in the pool. Drop her if you're ready to dive into Aqua Aerobics.